This was the first workshop, Excellence of Faculty Members. The goal was to inform faculty about the university's programs related to information dissemination, discussed website role and faculty involvement. Finally, significance of personal websites. What position does the university's website hold? What role can the faculty members play in these introductions? And finally, what special significance does the personal website of the esteemed members have?
We also had the awareness to participate in this first workshop. It was great, and we were able to get more familiar with the concept of branding within the university, both the overall brand of the university and the personal brands that faculty members should gradually start developing in this area are important, so they can better introduce themselves to the academic community.
On the first day I registered for this workshop, I didn't think it would be so enriching. I made the most of every moment of the workshop. The fact that the university has made significant progress in the field is really impressive. The work done by the esteemed professors of this university to showcase their achievements on a global scale was very valuable. The Saramat system was explained, which facilitates direct communication between faculty members and the university's activities. The Saramat system has been very well organized, and there are many valuable activities happening at the university's public relations level. It was a very useful workshop.
I found it really useful. Thank you so much for the valuable points you brought up. I really got some new ideas, especially regarding our field. A lot of the projects and requests we actually see have the potential to be presented in the media.
The impression I got is that you're more focused on branding, meaning you want to increase advertising in a way that showcases the university's capabilities more clearly. That's really great.
The initial motivation for holding workshop emerged about media capabilities to enhance branding and education discussions to improve Tehran University of academic rankings. We brought up the suggestion that was made recently as a first step for discussing the information sharing with the professors of universities about the capabilities that the university media and its relations provide to enhance the discussion of branding and education among the professors. This way, the academic ranking of Tehran University can be improved compared to others.
It was mentioned about the tall architectural model that Tehran University of Medical Sciences uses the brand house model so that the parent brand can introduce its values across all its subsidiaries and help the audience become more familiar with the various aspects of Tehran University of Medical Sciences.
I was somewhat familiar with the branding program at the university, but now I see that it's being done with a solid scientific foundation. I've gained a really good perspective on it.
That part about the alignment really caught my attention because I see on social media like LinkedIn, they post articles and provide detailed explanations comparing people to seeing them in the virtual space.
The really interesting part was the idea behind the videos. It was clear that there was a lot of thought put into it, especially that one piece where it was really captivating.
Now, based on the perspective I've taken on this workshop, I've realized that aside from creating a product and doing scientific work, we need to be able to introduce it. We have to make sure that it's recognized in the world and in this scientific community. We can't just leave it to the people who can benefit from our results.
We hope that it will be able to implement this program for other universities as well, and in this process it will carry out the necessary communications to make use of the resources that the university is providing.
Some of the issues you raised really got me thinking about how we can work in universities or fields that are connected to social responsiveness. This social responsiveness can actually spread not just in medicine, but across all disciplines.
Everything we see as our unity is the result of thought. And if that thought doesn't align with the right path, competence won't be created.
We hope that holding these workshops can bring more support from the university's extended family in this significant and grand activity, which is about promoting and helping to enhance the university's position in international rankings.